Hausa are a West African people. Most of them live in northern Nigeria. Most Hausas are Muslims. Their culture is a mixture of Africa and Islam. Colorful religious festivals are held annually in Hausaland. They feature a variety of musical instruments, traditional costume and dances. In this procession are hunters with their locally made shotguns, and these horsemen are visitors from neighboring Bornu. Long trumpets first came to Hausaland in the 15th century. They are played especially for the emirs, the traditional rulers of Hausaland. This man plays for the emir of Zaria. Here is his chief drummer, and these musicians play side-blown antelope horns. The most beautifully decorated building in the heart of Zaria is the Emir's Palace. The Emir's bodyguards can be recognized by their special uniforms. Today, the Emir usually travels by motorcar, but he still wears traditional dress. His robes are made locally in Zaria and Kano. Elaborately embroidered men's clothing can be seen in every Hausa town. Some of the embroidery is still sewn by hand, but nowadays much of it is made with sewing machines. This modern design has been created by machine embroiderers. Many of the machine embroiderers work without any preliminary drawing to guide them. This machine sews with a chain stitch, whereas this one operates with a zigzag motion. Since the 1950s, colored hand-embroidered caps have been replacing turbans. Many of the caps are made by Quranic scholars to help maintain themselves while studying. A great many of the embroiderers work at home. The designs for larger hand-embroidered garments are usually drawn by specialists.